Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
I'm racing.
Good morning. On this episode of Luke's Man Cave, or the season finale of Luke's Man Cave, we are here at Santapod Raceway, giving the old girl a final episode. Here we go. The fucking joys. Right, so we've burst what I reckon is the bottom rad hose. Fortunately, someone here had one for sale, so I've parted with a picture of the Queen for that. So I'm going to jack the car up, put the wheel underneath, because lack of axle stands, and I fancy some safety in that. We're going to get it replaced and see if that works. And then we're going to go and do some skids. More safety. I found the actual problem, the reason why that boost pipe, or the coolant hose was fine from Missouri, but then I come here and it's just burst the hose. The screamer pipe, if you have a quick look under there, the heat shield, or the heat wrap had slid off a little bit. And so allowing the heat that should be contained inside the screamer to come out and melt the pipe. Pushed it back up, I've tightened the wrap up, and then after every run we're just going to have to check, because there's only going to be so many of these that are available for today. Thanks for watching this episode of Luke's Man Cave. I hope you've enjoyed it as much as I did. You saw the highs, you saw the lows, you saw where the day was nearly finished, but thank God for Santa Claus. He came and he delivered me the rest of my day. It was fantastic. Did you see it? I can't wait to show you the next season. Oh my God, it's even better.